everyone, welcome back to Baking Time with Maija. Today we have a special guest, Virginia, and
Hello everyone.
Yes, and she is going to show us how to make pizza. She comes from Italy, and that's where pizza comes from too. So she knows a really good recipe.
Hello everyone. I'm sure everyone likes pizza, so I'm gonna show you a very easy recipe today to make pizza. You can make it home together with your family. It's very easy to make.
And because I am cooking and making food, I need to tie my hair back, so I have my trusty hair tie. Tie my hair back here. Virginia can tie her hair back as well. And we will both wash our hands. We'll be sink buddies today. And we will also sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star when we wash our hands. This towel is clean, so we will share the sink.
Okay.
Okay. Hands are clean, we're ready to bake.
We can start.
Yes.
So
what do we start with? What do we have here?
Here is what we need. First of all, we're gonna make the dough. For the dough, we need 500 grams all-purpose flour, salt, 10 grams. We need the half of the yeast, one bag of yeast, half packet, and warm water, and also oil. Okay, so first we're gonna start. We take a bowl. We first add all the water, and then we add the yeast, the half packet.
So half a packet, not the whole thing.
No, just the half.
Is it tricky?
It's kind of tricky.
To use scissors, ask your mommy and daddy first, or whatever grown-up you have.
Okay.
So half a packet, so not the whole thing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is that enough? That's enough. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Okay, then we mix, stir together.
Give it a stir, all right.
Until they come together, so we can see the water now gets.
It looks a little bit muddy.
Yes, you can see. So when the water gets the color of the yeast,
It's ready.
It's ready. Yeah.
Great.
So what's next?
Then we get flour, right?
First we add the olive oil. So we need 35
right?
grams. Yeah.
We're using a measuring cup today.
So here,
that much?
here.
Okay.
Almost. Yeah.
Just a nice little
bit.
Okay, great.
So okay, right. Next, we need some salt.
Yeah, about 2 of these spoons,
Two.
right?
Yeah.
2 teaspoons about. Okay.
This is the first
one. And
second one.
2.
All
2
right.
spoons. All right.
All right.
So we put in the flour last.
Yeah. Okay, it's done.
Good.
Then, you want to help me?
Yes.
Okay, you can add now the flour,
Do I
little
add-
by little.
Oh, just a little bit at a time. All right. Okay. Shake.
That's enough. Okay, we can add more flour later. Now make sure your hands are clean. We're gonna knead this all together.
Very nice. Yeah.
And it comes together.
So you knead it until all the dry spots are gone. Okay. So until there are no more, until everything is nice and wet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. We can add some more flour.
Mm-hmm. Right. Got some on your hand. Okay.
Make sure the dough, it has to be a bit elastic, not too hard.
So stretchy.
Yes,
Okay.
stretchy.
So not too dry and not too
Not
wet,
too
just kind of
wet.
stretchy.
Exactly.
Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm. We can maybe add some more.
A bit more
Flour.
flour? Okay. Is it enough or should we add a bit more? Just
It's
okay,
enough
a
for
little bit.
now.
Yeah, it's a small bit. Okay, and then we'll see how it goes. You know, I like to have pineapple on my pizza.
Oh, really? Which
I
is
know.
not. Okay, see now it's too elastic. We need some more flour.
More flour. So we just keep adding flour and water till it's just right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, just a little bit of flour. Let's see how it goes. Yes, I see it.
Almost done.
See it now.
Can you see? Now
Looks
it's
good.
elastic.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost done. Our dough is done. And what we're gonna do now is to let it rise for about 2 hours.
Okay.
And we cover it with a cloth.
You have a cloth right here.
Mm-hmm.
Good. So a nice clean dish towel, or is any cloth you have that is clean.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Is that?
Should I put it somewhere warm or cold? Or?
Yeah, should
Somewhere
be
warm.
warm.
Okay, so maybe just a nice
It's a
warm
good idea inside the oven.
in the oven. Okay. All right.
In
But
a warm
the oven
place.
isn't on, right?
The oven is off.
The oven is
Yeah.
off. So an oven that's off, we'll put it in
Mhm.
there. Whenever you open the oven, you ask a grown-up to do it.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. Or even like a warm place in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Not just the oven. Okay. But for now, it'll rest there.
Okay, we rest
Super.
here for about 2 hours
2 hours.
and we will see that it will double in size.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back. So after about 2 hours, our dough should be double in size. Can you
Ooh.
see how big is it?
It's
now?
so much bigger. It grew.
And it smells yeast.
It does smell really yeasty.
Yeah.
Nice. All
So
right.
yeah, what we're gonna do next, it's easy. Simple. We just put. So first of all, we will need a baking tray and
With wax paper. Wax. Good. All right.
okay.
All right.
What we're gonna do next, it's just you place the dough into the tray.
Yeah. Okay.
Always remember to keep your hands clean.
Yes. We just washed our hands before we took out the dough.
Exactly. And now we stretch
Okay.
our dough into the pan.
So you stretch. You don't roll it out. You stretch it.
You stretch it, yeah, with your hands.
Can I?
Yeah, you can, sure.
Stretch it out.
So let's see, let's try to
Yeah.
have the same thickness.
Yeah.
And all right,
Super. All right. So.
okay, after that
Mhm.
we take our tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Ask for the help of your mommy or daddy to
Mhm.
have this.
They can help open the can.
And-
Got it? Okay.
all right. And
Would
then
we
that's-
just lay it out? Okay.
okay, and then we spread it.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to try?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Spread it all around.
Okay.
Remember to leave the edge
Yes, the crust.
empty because this is gonna be our crust.
Yes. Give it some space so it doesn't.
Okay.
So much there. Okay. Sure, it's a nice thick sauce.
Okay.
Okay. Is that enough?
Yes.
Okay, good. So most of the can, not the whole can, but most
Yeah.
of it. Great.
Okay, then we're gonna sprinkle our mozzarella. You can use your hands to chop
Super.
mozzarella.
So we need 2 balls of mozzarella. usually?
Yeah, usually, but like our pizza is not that big, so we
Right.
might need just one.
Just one. Okay, super.
And also you can add any other ingredient you like, depending on your taste.
You can add other cheese, or you could add meat or vegetables,
fish.
or fish.
Anything you
Yeah.
like.
Do you like tuna pizza?
I like it, but my favorite one is vegetable pizza because I'm vegetarian.
That's really good.
But anyone can add any ingredient depending on your taste.
Yeah, exactly. This
Okay.
is beautiful.
Now
you want to show
you
the?
wanna show?
Are you able
Yeah.
to see the?
See?
Pizza?
Now pizza is ready.
I'm excited. Let me move the trolley, and you can put it in
We
the
can
oven.
put it in the oven. Make sure you preheat the oven to 250 degrees.
Yes, I can open it. And always, always have your mommy, daddy, or grown-up open the oven and put it inside. Yeah.
Okay. Right. Yeah.
Great. So how long
So
should this be?
for like from 10 to 15 minutes.
That's really fast. All right, I'm excited.
All right. Hey guys, our pizza is ready. Let's turn off the oven.
Let's take it out. I'm very excited.
Take it out.
Would you like an oven mitt and a pot holder? Yes. You always need to protect your hands.
And ask always they have.
Your girl should
Organa
be doing
dough.
this.
Oh, look at
Ooh,
this!
This looks so good. Beautiful pizza.
It's ready.
Wonderful. Okay, so now our pizza is sliced and ready, and we'll invite our lovely friend Relika to come and taste it with us. Come on, Relika.
Come, Relika.
Pizza?
Pizza?
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
That
delicious.
looks delicious.
Yeah, you can pick any
delicious.
size. Yeah.
Let's try from this one.
I think I'll take this.
I will take this one.
I'm going to take something a bit more cheesy. Okay.
Let's try.
Yeah.
Very nice.
How is it? Very good.
Delicious. I'm glad you like it. Good job, Virginia.
Thank you.
Nice to learn how to make pizza.
Yeah, now we can make some at home as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you see, it doesn't take that much time. It's very easy to make.
Perfect. Yeah, and if you make any pizza with this recipe, please send us a picture or a video. We'd love to see. Make sure to smash that like button and to ring the bell for any notifications. And of course, please subscribe to our channel for more lovely cooking and baking and goodness here. All right.
Thank you
Bye.
for watching. See you next time.